Hello guys, welcome to Elite Professionals YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to create this 6-step infographics animated steps. So to get this, let me show you what we're going to create today. So click. Right, so this is a bit slow. You can make it faster and then tweak it the way you want. So we're going to be creating this amazing templates today. So thank you so much guys. Please sit back and let's get started. Okay, so find a black arrow, then make it bigger. This right, the new line. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to create a horizontal block. Okay, so I want this. Then we're going to draw another shape, this particular one. Okay. Pink purple. Triangle. Draw this triangle very small. Then no line. Okay, so let's want to shift this a bit downward. Okay, so perfect. Okay, then Ctrl G to group. Great, so I'm going to duplicate this multiple times. However, before doing that, let's just take some numbers here. Let's copy this. I need about 6 or 5. So make this 0.5. 0.6 is fine. Okay, so for now let's make this white. We'll change the color later on. Drag everything here. So pick one of this. So drag and drop here. So let's make this purple. So the first color is purple. So copy this animation. Okay, so I'll click on this. This is great. Okay. What we do to this guy? This itself. Okay. Let's change the direction of the sun. Let's just come this way. Alright guys, so this is basically how you animate. You can select, you can ungroup all this icon and then decide to animate each one of them if you really have the time, and then look at the timing, whichever way you think would make sense for you. Now, one thing I want you to do after doing this animation, go to the animation pane, and this will be on click, and I want the rise to be after the previous, right? So let's play and let's see. So let's put some text here, and let's call these 6 steps. Infographic, starting from the top. Great. Animation pane, and this will be the first thing that needs to come first. Great. So let's play this at once. Yeah, this is great. Alright, just click on like, subscribe to my channel, then I will see you in the next video.